Hello friends, in this video we will write a program how to check a number is even or odd. So let's start with command, write a program to check whether a number is even or odd. If number is divisible by 2, the number is even, otherwise it is odd. So for this, take a number from user, input, enter number, check the condition. If your number is divisible by 2 and remainder is equals to 0, when this condition will true, print number is even, otherwise goes to else block, print number is odd. Enter number 4, so it will print statement number is even. When you divide 4 or check the modulus of number 4 with 2, so your remainder will be 0 and that 0 is equal to this 0. It means both conditions are true. Double equals are used to compare two values. So 4 is a even number. Again run your file and enter another number 5, so it will print number is odd. To check the modulus of 5, it will gives you remainder 1 which is not equal to 0. So if condition is false, then it will goes to else block and print number is odd. Let's do one more example. Write a program to check whether a number, or let's do another program. Write a program to check the largest number among two numbers. Number 1, take the input, enter number 1, take the input for number 2, enter number 2. If number 1 is greater than number 2, print number 1 is greater elif second condition, if number 2 is greater than number 1, print number 2 is greater or let's assume both numbers are equal. Enter number 1, that is 25, number 2 is 30, so 30 is greater. Again run your file 56 and 5. 56 is greater, enter 10 or 10, so both are equal. Thanks for watching this video. So just try this program and work with conditional statements. Thank you.